supervisor reminded me to put these things in, but you bring her on. You bring her on. We'll get her to be some frontline stuff.
Is that right?
Her.
Who's her?
But she's due to go over there for her appointment. We've got to get her to go before she goes for an appointment.
We just have to do a tour of the place first. Down low, we've got dog, other dog. Up here and here still. We've got a computer happening here. That's right. And if you'll follow me in here, first of all, it's pouring down rain outside. You might want to have a look at that. But first, it's Lucy. Lucy, are you behaving? And out here is where we're going, because it's like, whoa, powerful rain for the 47th time today. Now some people might let rain ruin their vacation, but you can see by the relaxed state of this group that we're pretty okay with it.